Hey guys, so today I've come out for dinner with my brother, and before dinner, we decided we'll go and have some beverage. And we've come here to Got Tea. This is Adi, he's my cousin, and he just loves their Korean banana milk. He's been hyping it up for quite a while now. And while opening his lid, he broke the can. While opening his can, he broke the lid. So he's gone inside to get help from the cafe guys. Obviously, since it's been hyping it up so much, I wanted to try it out. But honestly, pata nahi if I don't know what I feel about that drink. Anyway, for me, I had ordered some Dolce cold coffee thing. It was a regular cold coffee. I would say nothing fancy. I would definitely not want to come here and have their coffee next time. Although their desserts look quite tempting to me, so I might want to try it out next time. But ye ठीक ठीक, I would say it was just ठीक ठाक.
It's good. Cheers.
I don't know why I said it's good. First sip maybe. Adi is enjoying his beverage, I would say. Or like I mentioned earlier, हम लोग यहाँ पे we've come for dinner. And since Adi's been living in Delhi for a while, he was like, let's go to Safdarjung and have dinner. We were both in mood for something Tibetan or Indo-Chinese, I would say. So we walked down the street and piche piche gali gali se we went to this place where Adi is quite a regular at. And he wanted to have the fried rice over there, which मुझे तो मोमो खाना था. So we came here. This place is called Lia Zikai, and obviously Adi ordered fried rice, and I digged into it, obviously, and it was pretty good, I would say. So we sat and we chatted for quite some time and finished our food in no time. After our food, we had to meet another cousin of ours, so we were waiting for him. And while waiting, we saw that there was this fire ambulance, I would say, because there was fire somewhere down the street. So it was quite scary because it's a very congested area. So when my cousin finally came in, we thought we'll go and have some coffee, but Adi and I were obviously very full, so we didn't have space for coffee. So we decided we'll have ginger lemon honey to just digest our food. And these guys both are DJs, so they were just talking about music and all these stuff, and I was listening to them. And finally, we had to say bye to Karan, and we went back to Noida. And here I am. Hey. So, guys, it brings me towards the end of today's vlog, and I'm not even sure if it's going to be a vlog or not, if it's going to be out there on my channel or not. I'm not really sure about that. It was just a casual dinner with my brother, and I just started randomly recording. Or abhi I'm sitting here and I'm trying to edit my video, and let's see if it kind of goes on my channel or not. I'm not sure about that, but if it does, and if you're watching me say all these things, then I hope that you kind of like my video, and agar aapko अच्छी लगा होगा, so please hit like. And if you're new here, then please do subscribe to my channel. Baki, I please let me know if you would like to see me make such random videos, very natural, very. It was fun. It was refreshing also after very long. And please take care of yourself. The air situation, pollution in Delhi is crazy. Although it's better than before, but please take care of yourself. Please take care of your surrounding. This is our place. We are living on this planet, and I think we gotta make it a better place for us, not for anyone else, for us and for our, immediate. I'm not even talking about बहुत 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 बच्चे के बच्चे के बच्चे, हमारे लिए और हमारे बच्चों के लिए भी अगर हम बोले. So it's such a toxic place to be living. It's like so, it's literally like a chimney. So please, let's take small measures from our side and make it a better place for us and for our future generation. बाकी आप सभी तेज़ हो. So please do your part, and I hope to see you soon in another vlog. Right now it's 2:50 a.m. in the morning, and I'm sitting here. I'm trying to edit, and I'm not sure if it goes or not, honestly. But if it does, then please hit like button just for the effort. Okay, so bye. Good night.